everyone, it's Jimmy from Studio 39 and we're going to show you how to do the little color kits that people are getting for like quick color fixes during quarantine. You're going to have a little bag like this, and then inside of these two containers, one will have the color in it and one will have the developer in it. And then you're going to get a brush as well, and you're going to scoop the developer, which is the liquid part, and it will be labeled, into the cup that has the color in it, and then like mix it together with the brush. Just whisk it. If you want, you can just use the brush as well. We're going to ask that you hang on to this and bring these back if you want to do this again, because we're not really entirely sure how long this is going to go on. And now I'm going to show you how to apply it on the root area and around the hairline. Okay, so there's going to be two options. One is basically just your part line and around the hairline, which honestly is what I feel more comfortable with you doing, because once you start getting up in the back of the head, like back here, you know, that's just really hard to do on yourself. And even if your husband helps you, more than likely it's going to take him a very long time, and the processing time will be different from the top into the back. So that's what makes me a little bit nervous. But if you really, really, really want that and you really feel comfortable doing it, that's fine, that's an option. Go ahead and look down. Basically, you'll just dab your product into the container, scrape out any excess, and then go over the regrowth like this, right down the part line. So we're not doing any blondes because there's just way too much room for error. But for gray coverage, redheads, brunettes, whatever, that's totally okay. And we're gonna give it enough to go through the part line, which is about an inch across where your part is, whether you wear it on a natural part or a different part, wherever you wear your hair most of the time. So we're gonna give you enough product for that, and you're just gonna go right down either side like this, and you'll see the product. So that's where you need to lay it, is where the line of demarcation is. Then you'll go around the hairline. So on the hairline, the easiest way is really just to pull the hair straight back and then just go around. And right here on the front, do the same thing until it's like a semicircle all the way around and it's all covered. Because again, these are just quick fixes to tide you over until we open again. So that is a color application on the part line and around the hairline. And it's for just base cover. We won't be doing any highlights. We won't be doing any blonde formulas. And we ask that you not do a whole lot to your hair other than this.